Hello everyone, myself Rajesh Dwivedi, and I am here with a video of natural vegetation and wildlife resources of class 8. First of all, about the natural vegetation. An overview. The plant species which grow naturally and living in association with each other in a given environmental framework without any human interference are known as the natural vegetation. This includes trees, shrubs, plants, and grasses. Natural vegetation and its type is determined mainly by the temperature and rainfall. Trees grow best in regions of heavy rainfall areas, and the tree grow widely spaced and stunted in height in moderate rainfall areas, and the hot desert where the rainfall is very less supports thorn bushes and shrubs. Different types of plants and animals living together under similar environmental conditions make up a biome. A biome comprises all the ecosystem within a given geographical areas. Biomes are found on terrestrial, that means land, as well as aquatic, that means water. Biomes do not have sharply defined boundaries because many biomes merge with each other. Then, biosphere, the narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere where natural vegetation and wildlife exist is called biosphere. In biosphere, living beings are interrelated and interdependent on each other for survival. Then comes ecosystem. The term ecosystem was first coined by Mr. A.G. Tinsley in 1935. Ecosystem is a particular category of organic and inorganic components. It may be as small as a pond and as big as the whole universe. There are two types of ecosystems. First is marine. Life originated first of all in oceans, and then it flourished in other spheres. They further subdivided into freshwater and saline water ecosystems. Second one is terrestrial, that means land. Life is also present on land, and both plant and animal species are present there, and it is subdivided into forest, grassland, and thorny vegetation. Then comes the two major type of forests found on the earth. There are other forests also, but these two are the main types of the forest found on the earth. The first is evergreen forest. This forest is also called tropical rainforest with broad leaved, occur in regions of very heavy rainfall, that means more than 200 centimeter areas. This forest lies in the region of hot and wet climate and have largest variety of species. The commercial exploitation of trees is very difficult, and the main trees found in the evergreen forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, ironwood, etc. Second one is deciduous forest. This forest is also called monsoon forest and are found over large parts of India where The annual rainfall ranges between 100 centimeter and 200 centimeter. The trees shed their leaves at the onset of summer and regain their leaves in the rainy season. The trees are commercially very good. The main trees of this forest are teak, sal, sandalwood, sesame and bamboo. These forests are mainly of two types, moist deciduous and dry deciduous. Then comes the wildlife. The climate and vegetation vary greatly from one region to another in India. Hence, India is home to a wide variety of animals. India's national animal tiger is found in foothills of the Himalaya. Bengal tiger, the largest carnivores, is found in the Sundarban. Elephants are found in the forest of Assam and peninsular India. The one-horned rhinoceros is found in the National Park of Assam, Kaziranga. More than 1,000 species of birds are found in India. Then we need to conserve the wildlife. The conservation of wildlife can be done by following some steps. They are setting up of national parks and sanctuaries to enable wild animals to live in safety in conditions similar to their natural surroundings, means keeping these wild animals in a protected area like they are living in their natural surrounding. Then preventing the hunting and smuggling of rare birds and animals. They will hunt for the hide, horn and other things. Trying to increase the number of rare species by breeding them in zoos with the modern technique. Then preventing trade in things made of horn, ivory and animal skin by making people aware to them. So this is about natural vegetation and wildlife. Hope you like this video. Thank you.